Hello, hello, hello. Assalamu alaikum and a very, very, very happy and good morning to all of you. I hope you are all super good and fantastic. Super good, feeling good, good, good. Yeah, okay. So I'm also feeling very, very, very happy and super excited to see all my sweet little friends. How are you? Okay, that's great. I am also fantastic. That's good. So quickly, 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 we are going to fresh ourselves, right? We're going to make our muscles active. Okay, right? Okay, all of you. Come on, let's do a little of stretching. Okay, wake up your muscles. Yeah, good. Wake up your cells. Yeah, yeah, okay. Rub your hands. Rub your hands. Good. Yes. Okay. So we are ready. Yeah, great. We are going to do a little of tracing today. As I told you, remember that we have to prepare our fingers for the writing scales and tracing, right? So, okay, everybody show me your hands. Yeah, okay. Now we're going to wave the hands left and right, right? Put your hands like this, just in the middle. And now we're going to, yes. Okay, now move them to your right. Move them to your left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Yay, that's great. Okay, now make a fist. Now you're going to round and round, round and round. Yay, good, good. Very good. Slowly and gently, slowly and gently. Very good. Excellent. See? We are ready. Okay. Yes, we are ready for tracing. Good. See, we are tracing lines, we are tracing straight lines, we are tracing zigzag lines, we have traced wavy lines or curvy lines. Many lines we have to practice, right? And we have done already much of tracing, right? Okay, so we are going to yes, we are going to trace through today, and we are going to trace wavy lines, right? They make waves like this even, or maybe like this. I'm going to show you the wavy lines. Okay, so are you all ready, everybody? Yes. Okay, that is great. So what you have to do is you have to take out your alphabet fun book, and that is the yellow one. Everybody, take out your book, alphabet from A to M. This is the lowercase, right? Lowercase A to M alphabet. Good. Okay. And we are going to do tracing today, right? So everybody, ready? Sit on your chair properly. Very good. Good. Now, remember, you're going to put your book on the table flat, horizontally, and then you are going to hold your pencil, right? Now, you remember how you have to hold the pencil? Yes. You have to hold the pencil like this, and you're going to lock it with your yeah, thumb. Okay. So, what do you see? Okay, which page you have to take out? You are going to open up the book and come up on the page number 8, right? Page number 8. Okay. Yeah. Everybody open up the book and come up on this page number 8. Where can you see? Yeah. You can see the Japanese doll over here, right? Everybody, have you opened your books? Yes, very good. Everybody, yeah, that is great. Lovely. Okay, super good. So you all know the names of different lines? Do you know the names of different lines? Yeah, okay. We will just quickly have a quick review. We will just revise the lines, right? So what is this line called? I hope you can see this. This is a straight line or a standing line, right? Okay, now what is this line called then? That's a sleeping line or a horizontal line. Then what if it goes up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down? What will be this line? Zigzag line, right? Okay, that is great. And what if the line is like this? What is this? Curve, a curvy line, right? A curve, right? And if the line is like this, then this will be a wavy line, right? So we learned about lines. So we are going to trace them on our books. Everybody, right? Are you ready with the page number 8? Good. Okay. Now look at this Japanese doll. The Japanese doll, this is the bigger one. This is the smaller one, and this is the smallest, right? Big, bigger, biggest, right? Small, smaller, smallest, right? Okay, now we're going to start with this because this has a big curve. So we're going to start with this Japanese doll, right? Everybody, remember we are going to start from the red dot, right? So everybody put your pencils on the red dot and you have to go up, right? Don't start right now. Yeah, put your books flat, hold the pencil properly and sit properly. Good, very good. Okay, you should be sitting straight. Relax. Okay, now we're going to start from here, right? Put the pencil over here, and then come on. You're going to follow me, right? Okay. So put the pencil over here, and then come up, up, up. Yes, slowly, 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 slowly. Okay. Okay, that's great. Now come down, curve, and come down, come down. Okay, stop. Good. Done. Right. Okay. Now again, you're going to start from here. Go up, 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 up. Make a curve. Make a curve. Yes. Come down. Come down. Yes. Follow the line. Don't go off the line. Okay. Reach here. Stop. Yes. Okay. Everybody completed. That's great. Okay. Now again, we're going to start from here. Right. Okay. Go up, up. Make a curve. Make a curve. Come down. Yay, great. Finished, everybody? Wow, very well done. Good. Okay. Oh, that's fantastic. Good. Very good. Amazing. Okay. Okay. Now, what you can see up here. What is this? A frog. Yes, that's a little frog. And what is this little frog doing? Hop, hop, jump, right? He's jumping. Doing, 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 right? So we have to follow his jumps, right? Everybody ready? Now there are a little more narrow curves which we'll be doing, right? Not very difficult, but stick to the line, don't go off the line, right? Okay, now everybody start from here, the red dot. Put your pencils on the red dot. And you have to follow. Go up, 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 make a curve. Come down, good. Stop. Okay, that's great. Now again, go up, 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 curve. Come down, 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 good. Okay, then again, make a little diagonal line. It's a curve and reach to the frog. Yay. Have everybody reached the frog? Good. Everybody has reached the frog? Great. Fantastic. Okay, now there is another frog we have to catch. Yes, yes, yes. We have to catch him. Okay, put your pencil on the red dot again. Up, make a curve. Don't go off the line. Don't go off the line. Stay on the line. Come down. Yeah. Again, go up. curve, come down, yay, great. And then come on, a little more curve, up, 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 and catch the frog. Oh, great. That is fantastic. Great. Both the frogs. We catch both of them, right? Okay. Now you have the same pattern just underneath the frog leaps, right? Now you are going to do this all by yourself. Are you ready? Okay, that is great. So come on, now you are going to do this all by yourself, right? So again, you're going to do this, right? Okay, put your pencil. Yeah, remember to put the pencil on the red dot. Yeah, and then start. Okay, now do it. Do it yourself. Okay, don't go off the line. Stay on the line. Yeah, down, then up. Yeah, good, good, good. Stay on the line. Yeah, great. Another time, another one. Yeah. Okay, great. That is lovely. Okay, now come on quickly to the next one. Yeah. Okay, quickly, quickly. We are going to complete the next one, right? Okay. That is fantastic, right? Yeah, come on quickly. I'm watching all of you. Great. Yay, good. So, have you done this one as well? Yay, now that is fantastic. That is great, right? Okay, now complete the second one as well. Right, going up and then coming down, going up, making a curve, come down, going up, making a curve, come down, going up, making a curve, then come down. Yeah, that is great. Lovely, lovely. That is amazing. That is very, very good. Very good. Fantastic. Okay, now everybody show me your books. Yeah, lovely, lovely. That is super great. Okay, so see, now our fingers, muscles are ready for holding a pencil and then tracing and writing. Yes? Yeah, everybody's ready because then we will be tracing the alphabets. Yeah, all the alphabets, right? We will be tracing the alphabets and then we will do a lot of coloring as well, right? So that's what we do later on, right? So everybody has done that page number 8. You've done it? That is great. Okay, so now the next thing is you have to look onto page number 9. See, there's a baby snake. Yeah, right? There's a baby snake, multicolored snake with the green and a little yellow and a little orange and pink. Wow, so many colors. Wow, there's a multicolored snake. Okay, so this will be your homework, right? You are going to do this with the help of your parents, right? Or your older siblings. And if you want to do it by your own, that will be even fantastic, right? But you know how the rules that you're going to start from the red dot and you have to stay on the line. You don't have to go off the line, right? Remember everybody? Yeah, so this is page number 9 is your homework, right? And the page number 9 with this snake picture is your homework. That is great. Okay, so this was a tracing class, right? And in the next class, we are going to start our alphabets, right? So we will be learning so much about alphabets and the name of the things starting from the alphabets, right? So we will meet in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. See you soon.